LKS, the best swag, nigga. LKS, the best swag, nigga.
Hi everybody, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use touch assistive in your iPad mini 2. But you see our logo from here, our device, you see the logo. You refresh your iPad, connect your iPad to the PC and refresh. Okay, you go to the more, you see intro recovery, our logo from here. Do something harder. Each logo you see from here, you can do something in horror with them. Okay, you see the delete icon, you see accessibility. When you touch assistive touch, okay, Wi-Fi connections, you open two options right now: touch assistive in Wi-Fi connections. Okay, but right now you see iPad mini 2. Okay, when I click on iDevice and refresh, but you see how to use touch assistive in your iPad mini 2. In next time in another video.
LKS, the best swag, nigga.